How to create a text input field. Press Add New Element in your page node and choose Text Input. Your text input field is now created. You can rename it by double-click on its name. Make it optional by pressing Optional. Add a caption by pressing Caption. Add a description by pressing Description. Add a placeholder by pressing Placeholder. Press multiline to make the input field bigger. Visible in result data is pre-selected, and it means that the data your users fill in will later be visible in the result data. Let's have a look at the Advanced section of the text input field. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can change the responsiveness according to the device your users are using. You can add a style by adding a class tag. You will learn more about this in the style tutorial. Select validation to validate the user's input. You can validate email addresses, numbers, and more. Set a default value. You can choose from system variables, free text, or reference a user interaction. Set a minimum height. Add a comment. Or activate active if to create conditions. To create a condition, press Add Condition. Choose a system variable or a reference. This would be new name. This references our text input. Say equal if you want. And then add another system variable or reference. You can even add more conditions or groups. So that's it for the Advanced section for now. Thank you.